In the last episode we came up with a very nice name for the game, Slimeland Evolution. It's a game about stranded slimes on an island. You can upgrade your island to raise even more slimes, and slimes of the same race can be merged to create something new and stronger. The main currency of the game is jelly, that you can harvest by building jelly producers on a separate island. If you are very lucky though, you can even get a golden jelly, and we all know how bad you want it. I mean, it's a golden jelly. More about the gameplay and functionalities will be talked about as the series continues. So if you are already interested in the concept or want to share your ideas, subscribe now and join our Discord server. The first thing I did this week was to create a new producer. I was cooking dinner at that time, so I had the brilliant idea of drawing a cooking pot with a mysterious blue substance in it from which a jelly will be formed. It consists of 4 frames to get the job done. I then added a big spoon and put it on fire. Now it reminds me of that magic potion they used to drink in Obelix and Asterix to get superpowers. Maybe our slimes get powers when drinking that too. Probably not. Okay, the cooking pot looks ready and it fits well with all the other producers. The order you can unlock them is not final, as I'm just adding more and more to the game. If you have a great idea about the next one, feel free to comment it down below and I will check it out. Next on the list was to change the sprite for the lucky gift that will spawn from time to time on your island. When opening the gift, you can get jellies, golden jellies, or even a slime you may need. In other words, this gift will help you out a lot to progress, so make sure to look out for it. It can appear randomly whenever it wants to. The new design is nothing extreme, but surely enough to change up the boring square form. Literally as I'm talking, this idea came to my mind. What if there are different kinds of presents in different colors and shapes? For example, a jelly box can be blue, whereas a slime box can be green, with a small moving animation, as if the slime wants to jump out. If you like this one, I will make it happen in the next video. After that, I had my classic coffee break to get energized and had a lovely walk under the burning sun and 35 degrees. It was nice. So back at home, and after I cooled down, I hopped in front of my PC and started designing the store system of the game. For that, I used the built-in scroll view of Unity and made the changes I needed. Let me explain the store a bit. You may wonder, okay savvu, I gathered so much jelly from the awesome producers, but what can I do with them? The answer is that until now you could only upgrade your island size to have more slimes on it. In the store, you can now also buy slimes that will directly transport it to your island. But there is a catch, you can only get up to the highest form of slime you have already discovered by fusing 2 of the same kind. It means that if you have discovered this one, you can buy all of them. For the store to open, I placed a new UI button in the right top corner, where it won't bother with your game view at all. To close the store, a simple exit button will be available below it. A nice looking red is exactly what we need. As you can see, not all forms will be available from the beginning, only up to the highest form you have discovered, and the next one as a black silhouette. I think that way it triggers the curiosity of the player to play until the next form. I am not so sure yet, but the same thing can be applied to the producers, having them all placed on their spot on the island but as black silhouettes. I will give it a deeper thought the upcoming days. Let's play around a bit so that I can demonstrate you all the complicated stuff I mentioned so far. We start with 2 of the first slime, which is also the most famous one and is named Blobby. As soon as we fuse him, the new form gets available in the store and the next one appears in black. Don't you already want to unlock them all, to collect them, to evolve them? You definitely want to, and to give you even more reasons why, in the next devlog we will assign attack points to every slime so that new forms are also stronger. Why we will need attack points, you ask? Well, as cute as our slimes are, they will also be able to attack and conquer new hostile islands full of enemies. The concept of the enemies is not ready yet, and I will have to make some sketches in order to find a suitable enemy for the slime. I will surely have more to talk about that very soon, and until then, watch the new series that I recently started on the channel, where we will learn how to create a mobile game from scratch. The series will include analytics, ads, in-app purchases, Google Play services and much more. All that in a Pokemon style game with turn-based combat. That sounds interesting, right? If yes, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified about upcoming videos. And with that said, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Ciao!